This is Anne LePan of Shooting Star Astrology with the astrological forecast for today, Tuesday, December 31st. We start to feel the effects that will guide 2014 today. It's going to be an exciting year. Action begins today with Mercury conjunct Pluto, both square Mars. We'll feel the need to harness control of our situations and whatever else concerns us. Our thoughts will be clear and strong, and our communications will be effective. Tempers will be stimulated as we voice our own desires. Today's a day when we should steer clear of anybody who wants to make us a victim. We should avoid discouragement while forging ahead with our own ambitions. The word of the day is impulse. Dreams and ideas provoke action today. We get the ball rolling, creating spark and building momentum to get things done today. The color of the day is Maya Blue. It's slightly lighter than True Blue. Clarity of thought is important today as we're inclined to act impetuously. If we wear Maya Blue, we'll be more able to coordinate ideas with action. Tomorrow's color will be teak. This is Anne LePan reminding you that astrology offers guidance, but only you make your own choices. Enjoy the day.